Hey there, and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. Well, the market closed just a few minutes ago, and we are starting to receive the earnings reports for some very big names. But first, let's check the numbers. The Dow set another record today, closing 81 points higher. This is the 55th record close set this year. The S&P was also down just a little bit, closing at 2579.85, and the NASDAQ closed just down slightly at 6,714.94. Now, for those earning reports, there were two big ones. First of all, take a look at how Apple jumped right after hours when it blew out its estimates. Their earnings per share were at $2.07 versus the $1.87 that was predicted, and revenues $52.6 billion. That is nearly $2 billion higher than the prediction. Apple beat expectations on sales of iPhones, iPads, and the Q4 Mac computers, and those numbers do not even reflect sales figures for the highly anticipated iPhone 10. As you can see, the after hours shares of Apple jumped more than 2%. But StarBucks, it is actually down after hours after it reported that it only matched the estimates of 55 cents per share but missed the mark on earnings. They had 5.7 billion instead of the 5.8 that was expected. Earlier in the day, Starbucks did announce that it is selling its Tazo tea brand to Unilever but will continue to invest in Teavana brand. President Trump made it official today, nominating Jerome Powell to take control of the Federal Reserve once Janet Yellen's term expires early next year. Analysts do not expect Powell will make any major changes to current policy. One other interesting note, shares of H&R Block were actually down this afternoon after House Republicans unveiled their tax reform plan, which they say is so simple that people will be able to file their taxes on a postcard. As you can see here, this is when it happened, and yeah. H&R Block was down 2.5% today. That's it for Real Investment News. Please remember to follow us on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube, and we will see you tomorrow morning.